We're going to be making a peanut butter sandwich. Let me show you how. We're going to need a few things. So we already have bread and peanut butter. And now we're going to spread it. We're going to use a couple of a lot, but not too much. Now we are spreading it, and we already have a lot. Now we're done spreading. Next up, I have to spread the peanut butter on the other bread. Did you know some people are allergic to peanuts? Now we're going to put the bread on the other bread. Some people prefer no crust, but some people do. Man, that's good.